everybody, welcome to today's video. We are currently on our way to Halong Bay from Hanoi. We flew into Hanoi about 2 days ago, kind of hung out at the Airbnb, ate some food. Now we're on our way to a river cruise for a 3-day, 2-night tour.
Excuse me everyone, so big luggage leave here, small luggage carry with you, go to second floor.
Ready? Let's do this. See, does there have a light? A lot of people who go on backpacking trips, they question whether they should get like rolling bags or if they're gonna just have the big backpacks. What you just saw there is about the extent of what we have to do with rolling bags. You just have to bring it up a couple stairs. We never really have to go through terrain anymore, where you have to have a bag on your back, even though both of our bags, they do convert into backpacks just in case. So we're technically not on a luxury cruise. They do have luxury cruises. We've heard mixed reviews about both. This is actually pretty good. This looks like a hotel room that we would book anywhere. 3 days, 2 nights with the transportation from Hanoi to here and back cost us $400. About $200 each for the whole trip, which is not that bad. So I believe this is going to be our room for the next 2 nights. I know that some cruises, they make you switch boats, but it looks like the pictures at least. Let's just double check the bathroom. It's actually not bad. So we're heading to Pearl Farm.
Pearl Farm.
We have them at the 6 to 8 year. 3 kind of oyster at Kayak, Tahiti, and the South Sea. We also growing in our Pearl Farm, and we do implanting in the Pearl Farm.
Okay, so we're going to pause this here and explain to you what goes on at the Pearl Farm, because unfortunately we didn't really understand it ourselves while we were there, so we went ahead and did some research.
There are 2 types of pearls, natural and cultured. Nowadays, almost all pearls you'll find on the market are cultured, which means they have been grown, harvested, and extracted. The tour took us on a step-by-step process on how these pearls are cultivated.
So the pearls are made when a particle gets inserted in the oyster. Then over time, the oyster coats the particle multiple times with nacre. Nacre is an organic compost material which produces the inner shell layer of the oysters. This makes the pearl strong and iridescent, and if all conditions are perfect, it takes an oyster around 5 years to grow 1 pearl.
At the Pearl Farm, workers open up a donor oyster. They extract the mantle, which produces the nacre, and place that with nucleus bead from a mussel inside other oysters. Afterwards, they take the oysters and place them in cages and wait for the pearls to grow.
Hello. No.
So we got 5 minutes to change and then we're back on the boat.
Yep.
To do some kayaking. And I'm going to be switching to the GoPro now. Ready? Honestly, video probably wouldn't do this place justice.
No way.
I think someone's coming down. This lady just pulled up on us with a bunch of goodies on her boat. What she got? She got the Pringles, Oreo, wine, Snickers, chips. Definitely worth the two night stay.